with your broker and your company? Do you guys have like, Tuesday morning meetings?
Mm-hmm. We do.
That was a pretty common thing several years ago. I don't know if it's still done, but think about having a team meeting, just a huddle with your team, your AI team, and hey, let's have a huddle with with the team. The huddle then brings up your different AI agents, your lead nurture, your listing coordinator, your transaction coordinator, AI versions, and what they're there to do is keep you informed on what's going on. Hey, we just got 3 new leads. I've been communicating with them. One of them is looking for this, that, or the other thing. The next AI comes up and says, yeah, we've got 2 listings that are about to expire. Probably need to do some stuff that, go through each one of those and figure out, what kind of updates and what you'll be able to do. And this is something, my screen's up. The goal here is within this system here, you'll be able to set up kind of your AI team members. These AI team members just they monitor your different pieces, where the lead nurture team member, their goal, they've got certain roles, they've got certain KPIs that they need to achieve. There's certain things that they're checking on and reporting on. And so every day it can come in here and it can do its thing. It can look at your database, monitor it, and do the things that it needs to do to make sure things aren't falling through the cracks. Same thing for your listings, same thing for your transactions and your closing. So, you've got all kinds of data that the system can now monitor, but not only monitor, but report on and making sure that things don't fall through the cracks. I mean, that's just it can be mind-blowing on what we could do. We have to make sure that we provide those things that are most important to you. And in order to do that, I have to make sure that I'm providing the AI with the data securely so that it can achieve its objective. Because every one of these, basically, you'll go in here and you'll have like a description. What are they responsible for? This is not complete here. What are they responsible for? What are their KPIs? What are their, and we'll have some of this built out for you, but you could go in there and you could change it however you want. You're basically making a job description for these things. Does this replace a person? Absolutely not. What it does, though, is it enhances the ability of your software to be able to give you what you want whenever you're out in the field.
And imagine like being able to give your actual physical staff tools like that. Maybe you do have someone that helps you with marketing and social media, and you're able to give them their own little robot assistant that is going to help keep track of all that thing. Well, gosh, for Mark, AI has allowed him to code a lot faster. And so we're able to create things much quicker. Well, the same can be said for any of those other jobs. Imagine, Mike over in the marketing department, because alliterations are fun, now has access to Melanie, the marketing agent. And now he is not only on Facebook, but he's on Facebook and LinkedIn and Instagram and Reddit and YouTube, and he's making long form content and short form content. And he's still only working, the 20 hours you have him working, or the 40 hours you have him working. And so the ability to do much more is then just extremely, widened.